In this video, I will guide you how to fix the Discord RTC connecting problem. A quick restart can help resolve many connection issues, including the RTC connecting error. This is especially helpful if your IP address changes frequently. Click the Start button on your PC. Click the power icon and select Shutdown. If your PC has a removable battery, take it out and unplug it from the power source. Unplug the power cords from your router and modem. Wait for 3 minutes. Then plug the cords back in and turn the devices on. If removed, reinsert your PC battery and power it on. Open a browser to confirm that your internet connection is working. Launch Discord and check if the RTC connecting issue is resolved. If the issue was caused by a dynamic IP, consider requesting a static IP address from your ISP. Using a dynamic DNS service to automatically update your IP address. The second fix could be a weak or unstable connection can cause Discord issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection by running a speed test, restarting your modem or router, contacting your internet service provider for assistance. If that doesn't help, using a VPN without UDP support can cause the RTC connecting issue. The solution is, if your VPN does not support UDP, disable or uninstall it, then restart your system before launching Discord. Discord works best with UDP supported VPNs, as they offer faster and more stable connections. The next fix could be an outdated network adapter driver can interfere with your internet connection and cause Discord issues. Visit your PC manufacturer's website and download the latest network adapter driver. Ensure you download the correct driver compatible with your system. Avoid downloading from unofficial sources to prevent malware infections. Install the updated driver, restart your system, and check if the Discord connects properly. That's it. Hopefully, one of these fixes helped you resolve the Discord RTC connecting issue. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe.